Make social media as easy for you as possible by scheduling your post to be auto-published when you want it to be. Here's how simple it is to do it. Let's say we want to auto-publish this video here. Let me show you how easy it is for you. So let's just say we have our video here that we've already edited. Just add in our caption, include our hashtags. So anime, tattoos, tattoo artist. Let's just add in a few. And then what we want to do is scroll to the very bottom here, click advanced settings, and then you will scroll down to see schedule this reel. Just select that and then pick a time. So I want that to be tomorrow at 10 a.m. Done. We go back, schedule. There we go. But let's just say that you've made an error and you want to fix something in your scheduled video. We go into the menu option here, scroll to the very bottom until we see scheduled content, click here, and then we see our video. What we do is click the three dots, click edit reel. We can adjust anything we need to fix if that is the video itself. Say we want to change the cover photo. I want the cover photo to be this. Click done as well. Let's say we need to fix the time that it's scheduled for. We can click reschedule and again adjust accordingly. Say I don't want to post it on Wednesday, I want to post it on Thursday, and then done. That's it. Like always, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll catch you in the next video.